Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you what steps you can follow if you're having the error of Instagram music not available on your Instagram account or Instagram application. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started. So in today's basic guide video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if Instagram story music is not available and it is showing that it is currently not available on your account. First of all, what you want to do is simply make sure that you have actually downloaded as well as installed Instagram to your device. If not, then head over to your device's respective app store and then go ahead and download the Instagram app. The first fix to this is, first of all, simply open your app store. It doesn't matter whether you are on your Android or on your iOS. What you want to do is, in the search box, you need to go ahead and type in Instagram and check whether the application actually has an update available or not. If it does not have an update available, then you will not be able to see the update button. But if it does have, then you want to simply tap on the update button. In my case, my Instagram application is up to date. So if this fixed your issue, then that is perfectly fine. If not, then what we want to do is, if you are on your iPhone, first of all, you want to first of all try to go ahead and offload the application. And for Android users, what we want to do is we want to simply open settings. And after we open settings, we want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and find the option called apps. Tap on applications, and here you want to search for Instagram. As we tap on Instagram, you can see right over here, and here you want to scroll down all the way and then tap on storage. And again, as you tap on storage, on the bottom right of the screen you'll find an option called clear cache. So what we want to do is simply tap on this clear cache, and if you want, you can also tap on clear data, but then you have to re-log into your account again. So if both of these solutions didn't work for you, the final thing is something we need to change inside the Instagram application itself. So simply let me open Instagram application first. And as I open my Instagram account, what we want to do is, at the bottom of the screen, first of all, we want to go to our profile page. And as we go to our profile page, on the top right hand side, you will be able to see this menu bar. I'm going to simply tap on menu bar, which is followed by the settings option at the bottom of the screen. And here what we want to do is, first of all, simply select account. And as we tap on account, you want to scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see the option called switch to professional account. Now, if you have a professional account, you want to try to switch to the personal account, because it is going to remove many limitations of your account. And if you do have a business account, then try and switch back to personal, because both of these account types actually has some of the limitations on Instagram. So go ahead and see if that fixed the issue, and if it did, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.